Welcome to our channel Skiller Learning. Challenge yourself with this quiz on Azure's relational database services. Are you ready? Question 1. Which Azure SQL option provides the most compatibility with SQL Server Agent and cross-database transactions? The correct answer is Azure SQL Managed Instance. As Azure SQL Managed Instance offers near 100% compatibility with on-premises SQL Server, including support for SQL Server Agent and cross-database transactions. Question 2. You want full control over the operating system and SQL Server version. Which option should you choose? The correct answer is SQL Server on Azure Virtual Machines. As SQL Server on Azure Virtual Machines (IaaS) provides complete control over the OS, patches, and SQL Server configurations. Question 3. Which Azure SQL offering is best suited for applications that require scalable, fully managed, and multi-tenant capabilities? The correct answer is Azure SQL Database. As Azure SQL Database is a fully managed, PaaS solution optimized for scalability and multi-tenant SaaS applications. Question 4. What differentiates Azure SQL Managed Instance from Azure SQL Database in terms of network isolation? The correct answer is Managed Instance can be deployed inside an Azure Virtual Network. As managed instances support full VNet integration, allowing deployment into a private virtual network. Question 5. Which Azure SQL offering supports built-in high availability by default and is best for cloud-native apps? The correct answer is Azure SQL Database. As Azure SQL Database has built-in high availability, automated backups, and patching for cloud-native scenarios. Question 6. Which Azure service is used to deploy and manage fully managed PostgreSQL databases? The correct answer is Azure Database for PostgreSQL. As Azure Database for PostgreSQL is a fully managed open-source database service based on the PostgreSQL engine. Question 7. What is the high availability option in Azure Database for MySQL called? The correct answer is Zone Redundant HA. As Zone Redundant HA in Azure Database for MySQL ensures database availability across multiple availability zones. Question 8. Which deployment mode of Azure Database for PostgreSQL supports horizontal scaling of reads and writes? The correct answer is Hyperscale, C2s. As Hyperscale, C2s, is built for scale-out PostgreSQL workloads and supports parallel query execution. Question 9. What distinguishes flexible server deployment from single server in Azure Database for MySQL? The correct answer is flexible server supports zone redundancy and stop/start. As flexible server allows finer control, including stop/start, zone redundancy, custom maintenance windows, and better cost optimization. Question 10. Which open-source Azure Database service is best for applications requiring JSON, spatial, and full-text search features? The correct answer is Azure Database for PostgreSQL. As PostgreSQL has strong support for JSON, full-text search, and spatial data. For more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel Skiller Learning.